Welcome back to the channel, guys. Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we're going to look at the Mophie battery case. That is right, battery case, battery pack, power bank. It's got all these words, but what it does is it charges your mobile devices. Today, we are looking at the Mophie XXL battery pack. It's actually called a Powerstation XXL portable battery with USB-C port. A couple quick little features about this thing down here. We have USB-C in and out, which means it can be used for charging and for powering it up. So it kind of serves a dual purpose, and there's no buttons or switches that you need to activate. It's smart. It knows to do it all by itself. It has a total of 3 ports, 2 USB-Bs and 1 USB-C. And it is claiming this power pack right here, the Powerstation XXL, is stating that it will give you 73 plus hours of battery, which is pretty amazing. And if we want to do some math, I gotta grab my calculator. 18.25, look at that. 18.25 times. This thing will charge my iPhone 11 Max Pro, which is insane. It's crazy to think I can legit go through my life without ever actually having to plug my device in. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it and actually look at this amazing power station and see what it looks like. About it for the unboxing, not really much to it. Okay, this is it. Really nice. Got a little thing here, so that's a little lifty up. Some instructions. It comes with a USB-B to USB-C charger, so that's pretty hefty. Y'all almost witnessed me stab myself live on national TV. Well, national YouTube. So this is everything that came in the box. A USB-B to USB-C power cord and the actual charging brick itself. Now, if you look over here, we've got some little icons. We have some voltage, and we have this one over here, which is sporting low voltage, USB-C, which should be our fast charger, and this one is sporting a little bit higher of a voltage. We're gonna go ahead and put it to the test. We're going to see if there's any charge in here now. It's halfway charged, so thank you, Mophie, namaste. And we're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see if by charging it into the USB-C versus the USB-B, I can actually activate the fast charging indicator on my Google Pixel 4 XL. We're not doing it on our iPhone, well, mainly because the iPhone doesn't have a fast charging indicator. This is my lovely cord case sent to me by Rinky last week, part of my surprise mystery gift. Thank you guys, big shout out to Rinky for hooking this creator and other creators like myself up with some cool swag for my studio. So thank you, always appreciate it. And another Rinky swag that they hooked me up with. This is their power cable, and I'm actually gonna take this and plug it into the USB-B side of it, the fast charging one and then the non-fast charging one, and we're going to see if it actually triggers the fast charging indicator on my Google Pixel 4 XL. So we're gonna just plug this into our phone and just see, does it charge? Turning on now. Looks like it's charging, so it works. Now we're gonna go ahead and swap it over, and we're going to put it into the fast charging and see if the fast charging indicator comes on. It says charging rapidly. Putting in the USB-C does activate it, and it charges it rapidly. So we know it does work, which is a big thumbs up because that's why we bought it. Now let's go ahead and do a quick little look-see-loo and comparison from last year's model to this year's model. So this one, they actually have on here engraved in really cool letters, 20,000 milliamps. So they actually have learned that the average consumer knows what a milliamp is, and they understand that it is the measurement that we use to tell how much juice or power our cell phone, smartphone, our Apple Watch is going to have. Now this one, if I recall, which I don't, has a little bit less than 20,000 milliamps. And I'm actually gonna have to take a picture of this so I can see it with my old people eyeballs. So this one is 1950, so we're getting about 500 more milliamps in this one versus in this one. This, I actually bought it to me as a gift for somebody, but I ended up getting 2 of them because I felt like I needed one as well. So these are super useful. This is actually powerful enough to plug in a USB-C to a USB-C and put it into my laptop, and I can charge it on the plane, train, automobile, anywhere I am. I can plug this in and charge my phone, my Apple Watch, my iPad, my MacBook Pro, anything I need, this thing will definitely charge it. It is by far one of the ultimate travel companions. Thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and feel free to do that right now. Ding, and subscribe to the channel. If you really like the video and you want to see more of me, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video and you have every right to not like the video, go ahead. There's a thumbs down button, but we don't talk about that. We don't encourage it, but it is there in the event you absolutely have to use it. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste.